Ultimate rugged smartphone for extreme conditions, designed for adventurers, outdoor workers, and anyone who demands durability. The rugged phone is built to withstand the harshest environments while delivering top-tier performance. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness, working on a construction site, or exploring remote locations, this smartphone ensures you stay connected no matter the challenge. Unmatched durability, engineered to meet MIL STD 810G military
If you want to buy this product, please check description box link below.
standards. This rugged phone is shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof. IP68, IP69K certified, allowing it to endure extreme temperatures, heavy rain, and accidental drops from significant heights. Its reinforced structure with a rubberized frame and Corning Gorilla Glass display ensures resistance against impact, scratches, and pressure. Powerful performance equipped with a high-speed processor and ample RAM, the rugged phone ensures smooth multitasking and seamless operation, even with demanding apps. The large internal storage with expandable memory allows you to store all your critical data, maps, and multimedia files without worry. Long-lasting batteries stay connected longer with an ultra-high-capacity battery that supports fast charging and wireless charging. With an extended battery life, this phone is perfect for long expeditions, remote work sites, or emergency situations where charging options are limited. Advanced display and camera system featuring a high-resolution display with sunlight readability, this rugged phone delivers clear visuals even in bright outdoor conditions. The professional-grade camera system allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in any environment, with night mode and underwater photography capabilities ensuring versatility in all lighting conditions. Enhanced connectivity and features dual SIM and global network support. Stay connected wherever you go with support for multiple networks and global bands. 5G, 4G LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity. Fast and stable connections for seamless communication and browsing. GPS, GLONASS and compass. Accurate navigation tools for outdoor adventures and work in remote areas. Push-to-talk, PTT, and walkie-talkie mode. Instant communication without cellular coverage, perfect for team coordination. Biometric security. Advanced fingerprint and facial recognition for fast and secure access. Built for extreme professionals and adventurers, ideal for military personnel, first responders, construction workers, hikers, campers, and anyone in extreme environments. This rugged.
If you want to buy this product, please check description box link below.